let's see how to instantly alphabetize words in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to rearrange these words so that it starts from the bottom up. Now, what that means is that it starts from the word garden, and then fish, and then elephant, and then dog, and then so on. So what we can do is highlight that text. Now click on the Home tab, and click on this icon right here with an A, Z, and arrow. Now currently, as you can see, it is in ascending order. So let's try clicking or setting it in the descending order. Now click OK, and you'll see that our text is now in descending order starting from the word garden. Now let's do the same thing for the other one, which is currently in descending order. Let's set that into the ascending order, and that will do the job for you. And that is how you can instantly alphabetize your words in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.